My name is Shraddha Dambaskar. Today I will talk about EMR, means electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic radiation is the form of energy that is transmitted through space with velocity of light. Electromagnetic radiation is the combination of electric and magnetic field which are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to direction of propagation. Thus, electromagnetic radiation can be considered as a simple harmonic wave propagated in space in a straight line. Electromagnetic radiations are spread over a range of wavelength: visible light, UV light, IR radiations, X-ray, gamma rays, microwave and radio wave are the example of electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic radiations exhibit dual nature. Some phenomena like reflection of light, refraction of light, interference of light, etc. could be explained only in terms of wave characters, whereas other phenomena like black body, radiation spectrum, photoelectric effect, Compton effect, etc. could not be explained in terms of wave nature. However, the latter phenomena could be explained in terms of particle nature, which is seen in diagram. First, electromagnetic radiation oscillating electric and magnetic field. Here, magnetic field and wavelength electric field propagation direction is seen. Now, general characters of electromagnetic radiations. All the electromagnetic radiations are associated with oscillating electrical and magnetic vectors at right angle to each other and also right angle to the direction of propagation. All the electromagnetic radiations have the same speed in vacuum. They travel in vacuum with speed of light. Energy can be transmitted through space by electromagnetic radiations. Different types of electromagnetic radiations differ from one another in their wavelength. Since velocity of all types of electromagnetic radiations is constant, the greater the frequency of radiation, smaller is its wavelength. A electromagnetic radiation is characterized by the nature of its wave, which are characterized by wavelength, wave number, frequency, time period, amplitude, wave front and velocity. Now, parameters of EMR. Electromagnetic radiation can be characterized in terms of following parameters. First, wavelength. Distance between two successive crests or trough is an electromagnetic wave is defined as wavelength. It is denoted by the Greek letter lambda. Since electromagnetic radiations occurs over a range of wavelength, different units like nanometer, micrometer, millimeter, centimeter or meter are used in different region of EMR spectrum. Earlier, angstrom unit was also used. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. 1 micrometer is equals to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. 1 millimeter is equals to 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. 1 angstrom is equals to 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. And 1 angstrom is equals to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Now, second is frequency. The number of wave passing through a given point in unit time is called as frequency of radiation. It is denoted by Greek letter nu and has a unit of reciprocal time. It is generally expressed in cycle per second or in hertz. And third is wavelength, which is denoted by nu bar. It is defined as the number of wave per unit length and it is denoted by nu bar. In spectroscopy, wave number is usually expressed in terms of centimeter inverse. Nu bar is equals to 1 upon lambda, means 1 upon wavelength. Now, fourth number is velocity. Velocity The distance traveled by the wave in 1 second is called as velocity of wave. It is denoted by c and expressed as centimeter per second or meter per second. The product of wavelength and frequency gives the velocity of the wave, that is c is equals to nu lambda. Now 6 is energy. The energy associated with quantum of electromagnetic radiation is given by E is equals to h nu is equals to hc upon lambda is equals to hc nu bar. Here h is equals to Planck's constant, nu is equals to frequency, and lambda is the wavelength of EMR, and c is the velocity of light. Thank you.